To install Virtualbox, search for Virtualbox, download. So I'll click on this first one. So you can download for Windows, Mac, or Linux. So I'll go with Windows. I'll click on this first one. So it's downloading for me. So I'll wait for it to finish. All right, that's completed. So I'll double click to install it. So I'll accept the prompt. So I'll click on next. I accept. I'll go next. Next. I'll click yes. I'll click yes. I'll click next. I'll click install. So I'll wait for it to finish installing. So I'll wait for the installation to complete. All right, so I'll click on finish. So it has come up. So this is what it's gonna look like. So this shows that your VirtualBox is installed successfully.